usually related to the game not being able to download or access its required files. Here are the most effective solutions. 1. Check internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. If using Wi-Fi, try switching to a wired connection. Disable VPN or proxy if active, as it can block downloads. 2. Run Minecraft as administrator. Right-click Minecraft launcher, run as administrator. This ensures the launcher has permission to download and write files. Clear Minecraft launcher cache. 1. Press Windows R. 2. Type send app data sent and press enter. 3. Open.minecraft or Minecraft launcher folder if using new launcher. 4. Delete the launcher profiles.json file and the assets folder. 5. Restart the launcher and try again. 4. Check storage and permissions. Make sure your disk has enough space for Minecraft downloads. Check folder permissions. Navigate to the Minecraft installation folder. Right-click, Properties, Security. Ensure your user has full control. Nahar 5. Update Windows in Microsoft Store. Press Windows+I, Windows Update, check for updates. Open Microsoft Store, Downloads and Updates, get updates. Minecraft Launcher depends on some store components. Header 6. Reinstall Minecraft Launcher. 1. Uninstall Minecraft Launcher. 2. Delete leftover folders in send app data sent.minecraft, C program files x86/Minecraft Launcher or wherever installed. 3. Download the latest launcher from Minecraft official site. Please open your app to see this link. 7. Disable antivirus/firewall temporarily. Sometimes antivirus or firewall blocks downloads. Temporarily disable them and launch Minecraft. Tip: if this still fails, try switching from the Windows Store version to the official Minecraft launcher, Java Bedrock, as some store versions have asset download issues.